Hey Toto, we're going to see how to install and set up Atomic Red Team in Windows 11 and run the MITRE ATT&CK test locally. First of all, disable the Microsoft Defender and go the GitHub directory. All the links will be in the description. First, clone the Atomic Dir in the C drive and let it finish. And then clone the Invoke-Atomic directory also. After that, I will open the PowerShell, and before running any commands, we will use the PowerShell exec bypass commands and then paste the following commands. All the commands used will be in the description. After the process is completed, type the Invoke-AtomicTest to check it is installed or not. Now we again type Invoke-AtomicTest, then the attack framework number and ShowDetailsBrief to see the attack areas in brief. You can specify which number attack to run, or can. You can also type ShowDetails command to view the more detailed version. GetPrereqs is used to check the pre-requirement is fulfilled or not. We are seeing that it is not there, so we will use the command GetPrereqs to fulfill the requirements so that the attack can be run successfully. Now I am going to run the number 3 attack from this, so this is the command for that. As you can see, it has injected the DLL and the calculator is opened successfully. We are going to run another attack. So again, run the ShowDetailsBrief command in this attack. We are going to use the 2 and 4 number attack. We can also take output in a CSV file by using the filter execution log path and then give the path where you wish to save. After the file is saved, go to the directory and open it with any editor. Here you can see the execution time, technique IP address, and much more. So that's all for today. Thanks for seeing the video. Till her, please subscribe and like the video for more upcoming videos.